I'm Dani and Esther. Drag is a vital self-care practice for me. It's the filter through which I process everything I read, I watch, I listen to, and it helps me make sense of the world. While drag is a fantasy that transcends the body, it's always anchored in the body. So I'm in constant conversation with myself about wellness. Getting out of drag has definitely become a calming ritual for me. It's often late at night, adrenaline is pumping from a show, so being able to clean and nourish my skin helps ground me. Like, does my ankle feel strong? Did I sleep enough? Does my skin feel hydrated? There can be no Esther without a healthy Dani. When I prioritize my health, things do fall into place. I'm Dani and Esther, and we're taking it day by day, skin by skin.